Hello and welcome to another video of Fixed Line, and in today's video I'm gonna be changing the wheel bearing on my another car, Audi A6. So basically just remove the wheel off, and what we're gonna do now is just remove the caliper, remove the brake disc, unscrew the drive shaft bolt, and there is 4 bolts behind the, I don't know if you can see, but there is 4 bolts down there with the spline sockets. If you can see up there, there is one there, 2 on the top, well basically 2 on the top bolts and 2 on the bottom, and basically just use the slide hammer to take it off. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna remove everything just to get access to it right now.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat.
So just remove the brake caliper, and now before doing anything else, just gonna unscrew the drive shaft bolt and then just remove the brake disc. So once you remove the brake disc, you're gonna see there is 4 bolts. One is up here, another is here, and 2 on the bottom. And yeah, so now just pretty straightforward, just remove those 4 bolts and then just put a slide hammer on top of here and just pull the bearing out.
Driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow.
So we managed to remove the 4 bolts behind the wheel bearing, and it was really hard to remove them because they had the thread lock on. So now we just put the slide hammer onto the hub. So well, that's the only way you could remove it without the slide hammer, but it's gonna be 100 times more difficult.
And it's gonna consume a lot of time. And basically, if you're gonna remove that, so if you want to remove that bearing, usually a lot of people just put
like a chisel or something.
like a chisel, but you end up damaging all the knuckle. So but if you want to do something like that, just get one of them. They are, of course, they are expensive, but does the job much easier. So you don't want to damage that rest. Well, you in the worst case, you can remove all the knuckle and do it on a hydraulic press, but
that is well gonna cost you a fortune, so it's much cheaper to buy the slide hammer. And yeah,
if you can get the one like I have with the big hammer, it's even better. It makes much easier the job. If you can see now, that's one part of the bearing out.
so that's basically the hub, and then we'll need to screw the pins on to the bearing itself and do it one more time. So basically just screw in the pins.
And then
Where was the wheel bearing bolts?
because sometimes it comes with the hub, like comes the hub without the bearing itself.
You
See?
could order like the wheel bearings together with the hub, so you just replace the whole thing.
But in our case, it's everything fine with the hub itself.
So
If you
we'll
buy
just-
with the bearing, it's gonna cost you way much more.
than just the bearing,
Aye.
because what I ordered is just the bearing, so we're just gonna replace this part and keep the old hub.
Yes,
But we need to remove that ring over here, that's
Aye.
from the bearing.
but you just put a
Chisel up there
up
and
on a corner here and just
hammer
not.
it down, and that's it. It's gonna come off.
They usually come off pretty easy. Well, on Audi, so that's as I know. Yes. So I managed to remove the bearing, whatever is left from the bearing. So that's the old one. It has like ABS ring on it, like magnetic one. Then now is the matter of cleaning all around the sides. Need to be careful because that's the ABS sensor. If you can see it, well, I will put some light on it. So if you can see that this is ABS sensor, so we don't wanna damage that by cleaning it. And they're now just cleaning. He's trying to remove that ring.
So just put back the bearing on. So when you put the wheel bearing on, try to make sure that you put like the bolts on every corner. What I mean by that is like tighten like this bit, then tighten the bottom, and then tighten this one and this one, so it all pulls up all together, so it doesn't pull like in an angle, or so to say, and just pulls evenly on all areas. And yeah, now just gonna polish a little bit this bit off, so I'm just put the brake disc on, and then I'm gonna grease the brake pads as well, and that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed watching this video and find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll really hope that we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.